Tucson's water future starts with educating today's youth. Hi, I'm Debbie, the program manager of Tucson Water's Watching Our Water for 6th through 8th graders. This STEM-based program explores our water resources, looks at the effects of climate change, and examines how Tucson Water is committed to ensuring a sustainable water supply for our future. Watching Our Water fits into a single class period with additional related pre- and post-visit lessons. Aligning with Arizona Department of Education academic standards, this program is a great way to connect local environmental issues with middle school science curriculum. Students play several TV-style games, examining how they've used and wasted water, how they can make water-smart choices, and just how much water those choices can save. Students also work together to simulate the pumping stations of the CAP Canal, moving water across the desert to Tucson.
Watching Our Water is a great fit for a unit on water and ties in math skills for real-world problem solving. The teamwork for the games was great to watch. It really got everyone involved and excited to learn.
We want students to make a direct connection between what they've learned at school and how they use water at home. Each student goes home with a water conservation kit containing a 5-minute shower timer and a water flow rate measurement tool. If students discover they need a new high-efficiency showerhead or faucet aerator, they can request one for free from Tucson Water.
Even though we're students, we can do our part to save water. Climate change is going to affect us, so we need to make a difference now. Thanks, Tucson Water, for teaching us about our water.
Tucson Water is dedicated to educating students throughout our community, offering Watching Our Water for free to hundreds of classrooms every year.
Thank you.